All right, guys, we're live for the New Mutants 98 mini. 10 spots are on the line here. We're all paid up and ready to go. There we go, guys. We're showing live here. We're going to show you the time here, 12:12, 12:12, and here's our random.org, 12:12. We have the 80 names, 80 spots on this list. Humans 98 mini. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start this with a 3 dice roll. There's our roll. It's going to be a while here, 14. All right, guys, we're going to start this out. Ready? Let's go. Top 3 spots, take some spots home. All right. Top 3, take spots home. Good luck. And your winners are Chad, Jeremy, and RJ. Congratulations, guys. There is our verification. We're going to go ahead and open that up on another page. And we're going to show you there's the 14 rows. All right, guys. Time of 12:13 here, 12:13 here. We're going to come back. Oh, let's go one more. 12:13 here. We are done. Congratulations, guys.